If you need a way to get a list of random numbers generated back for you in your Excel spreadsheet, the RANDARRAY function would be the perfect function for you. Let's start here in cell A5. Let's say that I need a set of random numbers for some data testing. I would say equals RANDARRAY. Now, as the tooltip says here, this one returns an array of random numbers. So, I get to go ahead and choose the parameters for these numbers to be returned in. First of all is rows. How many rows of random numbers do I want generated? Let's go ahead and put 9 so I can go ahead and fill up my little set of columns here. The second argument is columns. How many columns do I want my random numbers to span across? Let's say 3. Next I have min, max, and integer. The min argument is going to be what is the lowest number this function can return. Let's say 1. The next argument is max. What is the highest number the RANDARRAY function can return? Let's say our highest number it can bring back would be 250. My final argument here is if I want to go ahead and have a random number generated as a decimal or as integers. Since I want to test with whole numbers, I'll go ahead and choose integers. Tab it in, close it out, and push enter. And here I have the RANDARRAY function.